So this is how you can update your AirPods Max. Let's get into it. So at first you should know that there is no manual button to trigger the update. Just like you, for example, have it on your iPhone where you open up the software update section and you can install it and just click and confirm it. There is no such thing for the AirPods Max, right? However, when they remain connected to your phone after being put in the smart case, which that's when you like stop using your AirPods and you place them in your case and you still have them close by and nearby your phone, then the process of updating happens in the background whenever a new firmware version becomes available. So essentially, there, as I said, there is no button for it, but if you want to make sure that the update is performed, just put the AirPods back in the case, just close it, keep your phone nearby, keep it with access to the internet, like have Wi-Fi or cellular turned on your phone, and it will be performed in the background, right? So it's personally, I would like to get or have access to a button where I could just install it and be for sure, but this is the process which you have to go through because this is just kind of how it works, right? As I said, there is no manual triggering, so that's pretty much how it works. Also, if it only works with Apple devices when they are nearby, so if you're using your AirPods Max to, connect them with a PC or Android, which you can, of course, but then the update will not be performed. So it has to be nearby an Apple device. So that's everything I wanted to let you know about. Press the thumbs up button on this video to let me know about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.